I'd like to give you a demo of Truffle working inside a Slack workspace and show you how it can help your team be more productive. So this is our workspace, Kush Catnip Inc. And this channel, Work at Kush, is your standard work help Slack channel. In this channel, people are asking things that are not really domain specific, but just general questions about work life at the company. This is the kind of channel that you probably have in your workspace, where people are often just popping in to ask a question here and there. Maybe they answer a question from time to time. And there's likely a lot of people in this channel. It could be even your entire workspace is in this channel. So in these channels, people are asking a lot of the same or related questions. For example, how can I get a new phone? Questions about holiday or vacation, things like that. Truffle is perfect for this kind of channel because people may not know the right person to mention to get help, and it would be really disruptive to @mention the entire channel to get an answer. So I'm going to add Truffle as an app to this channel. Once it's added, it begins scanning the channel for important conversations. And when it finds one, it stores some information about the thread and marks it with an orange heart emoji reaction, as you can see here. This usually just takes a few minutes, depending on the volume of the conversations in the channel and how old the channel is. So let's ask a question. There's an office in Berlin, and I'm wondering if I can get into the building with my main office keycard. So I'll ask that in the channel. Truffle will detect that it knows something that might answer my question, so it prompts to ask Truffle using a message that only you can see. The question is still asked in the channel if other people want to answer it for themselves. Now I can decide if I want to use Truffle to answer this question or just hide the prompt. I also have the option to disable Truffle entirely. I'll click Ask Truffle. Truffle then sends me a direct message with up to 3 relevant threads that were found inside the channel I asked the question in. It shows the number of replies to the thread and a link to the thread itself. So this thread looks like it could be helpful, so I'll click on that one. And then it takes me directly to the message thread itself. So I can click here, view thread, read. Okay, so it looks like my main office keycard should work to get into that building. Great. Now let's go back to our message thread with Truffle. Maybe my question wasn't answered by one of these results. Let's say that I maybe want to keep searching. In that case, I can press the broaden my search button and I will get results from all the public channels that Truffle belongs to, not just the one I asked the question in. So we can click that and see if those results are more helpful. Okay, there's some results here from the Kush Office Berlin channel. 4 replies by 3 people. I'll check out that thread. Okay. All right. Again, it's about keycard. It's a question about a keycard at the Berlin office. Um, okay, looks like I can use it, but I will have to notify the front desk before email beforehand so they can activate it. All right, good to know. Okay, so in this case, my answer was found via Truffle. And so I'm just going to click Found My Answer. Truffle then posts as a follow-up in the original question thread that it was able to answer this question and offers other users to ask Truffle as well by presenting the button here. If a user doesn't want to post their question in a channel, they can ask Truffle directly via direct message. When asking directly, Truffle will search its entire knowledge base for results, rather than scoping the question to just one channel. This way people can get help without having to post anything publicly at all. So that's Truffle. I hope this demo was useful. Truffle is currently in a functional MVP stage, and right now we're looking for early adopters to come on board and test this out for free. If you run a community support Slack or have an organization that has more than 20 members on Slack, Truffle may be a good fit. Please send an email to beta@truffle.bot or check out the website truffle.bot and we'll get the conversation started. Thanks so much for watching.